Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a Brunswick stew at the pit, and it's real easy to do.
We're going to be doing some Brunswick stew today. Whoa. You got to check this out. Now, if you've never had Brunswick stew before, you're missing something out of your life. As you see, as this is prepared. So we're going to get a big cast iron pot going here because we got a lot of people to feed. All right, flames on. Now, some of you don't know what Brunswick stew is. It's got a great history. It goes back into the mid 1800s, what they say, right? And it's essentially a big pot stew, right? With any kind of meat you can come up with. So today we're doing chicken, right? We've got some pulled pork going in here. We got some beef brisket going in.
Nice.
With the veggies and the whole 9 yards. No, you got to check this out. This is work. Get the boys together, hang out, do a big pot of Brunswick stew. It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
All right. So Harvey, our chef, is gonna get this started, and we're gonna start out with a hot pot with some butter, man. That'll work. This is gonna be good. Oh yeah. Melt the butter. Just like making a big pot of stew at home, right? No, not really. This is much better than your grandma could do. Don't tell your grandma that, 'cause she's not gonna like that. All right. Now, with any Brunswick stew, you gotta have a paddle. So we have ourselves a nice wood paddle. Just makes it easy, right? It's like a witch's brew. Got the butter done, nice and melted. We're going with the chopped onions. Fried onions and butter. Oh yeah. The onions are getting translucent. Look at that. Now some minced garlic. You gotta have the garlic. Is there anything that smells better than garlic and onions? Get going. So we've got the diced potatoes. Now if you want to go ahead and cut your own potatoes and dice them up, you go right ahead, but I'm telling you what, we don't have time for that. These work awesome, right? Now, with the potatoes, goes in the lima beans. You gotta have the lima in the Brunswick. A lot of protein. Now, to make it look real pretty, we're gonna put in some carrots. And Mama said, always eat your green beans. Just keep loading it up. And of course, we got some corn. Yep. Corn's in there. Now, the tomatoes. Kidding me. The perfect winter's food, right? And the veggie gardens aren't pumping anything out. Weather's getting cold. So you make yourself a big pot of Brunswick stew. Now we got the chicken broth. I'll use your favorite broth. You can use beef broth too, if you had to. You won't put all of it. Yep or no? Now you can head on over to our website to get the exact recipe, BBQPitBoys.com. That looks good enough to eat already. Now, we have some tomato juice. The Vegematics are going to be lining up here. Tell you what, the Pit Boys are doing business.
A little cayenne pepper.
Now, add a little bit of heat. So then you go with some cayenne pepper. You can decide how much you want to put in there. Then goes some brown sugar. Told you this is easy to do. Now, you're not going to find this in a drive up at Mickey D's or, you know, the King. You got to do this yourself. This is called good living here. So, let a little salt go in. Got some black pepper. What's going in there? Worcestershire sauce.
How do you say it? Worcestershire.
It's Worcestershire. It's not Worcestershire, whatever you know. For some reason, you can't say Worcestershire. And of course, last but not least, SPG. Additional salt, pepper, garlic, a little hot pepper in there. Give it a good mix. There we go.
Yeah, they improvise at the pit. You know that.
How things are going here. You got to stir up this pot. Take a look. Oh, are you kidding me? I'm telling you, an outrageous smell. So, now, you ready? This is the goal of the Brunswick Stew. So, in goes some meat. Take a look at that.
Chicken? That's chicken here. Look at the chicken. Yeah, put that chicken in there, mix it up.
Man, chicken in there.
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork.
Beef brisket.
Beef brisket. Whatever roadkill you got. We're just fresh out of roadkill today. Otherwise, you see squirrel going in and possum. But no.
I can go out to the street.
Yeah, no, it's.
Oh, that's gonna be.
Look at that. Oh man, are you kidding me? Beautiful. Word have mercy.
It'll simmer now for like an hour, hour and a half.
Wow.
Yep.
Put it on the
About another hour, hour and a half. Nice slow simmer.
All you do is just
Now.
check the seasoning as it's going. You're gonna add more salt, more pepper, more, a little bit of hot sauce. We're gonna put some barbecue sauce in there too.
Oh yeah, we'll get the barbecue sauce
Barbecue
here.
sauce gets to it.
Yep. So, all right, I'm telling you what. Are you getting hungry or what? Another hour, hour and a half. You know, depends. Depends how many beers you got, of course. You can take your time. This is what it's all about at the pit, all right? All right. Cover it up and let it slowly simmer.
That's what she said. Like an old pro at it.
He's been around a long time. He's a state worker. That's about the only thing you do right.
Yep. Let's add some secret sauce to this Brunswick stew. Choose your favorite sauce, but hopefully it's our chipotle habanero or whatever, all right? So, the secret sauce. So kick it up a bit. You kid. Oh man, that smells good. Whoa. Right.
Thumbs up, man.
Woohoo! You got it.
All right.
Beautiful. Good.
have liquids and all everything, but that's a 40 quart pot, so which is about not quite half. So it's got to be maybe 16 quarts in there, maybe. I got it.
Gonna mix some sauce. Grab my on the lay, baby. Show you who's boss. Got mesquite in my hair, baby. I don't care. Gonna butter some biscuits. Grab me a pair on. At the chicken coop, I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop, got my barbecue shoes on.